Hey, Diana! A little help here? Look out! What are you doing? Diana! Damn! Tough old brother. Hey! You gonna help?
1 second.
You go. Diana! I need your hack in here! Nope! More of them? Get off! Glad that's over with.
Me too.
So what were you working on there?
That's a secret. I'll tell you later.
First, we get the power on. Let's move. Don't look now, but we got company.
You really sure you worked here?
What? This is my fault? Shit. Is that it? It's locked.
I can open it.
Emergency lockdown for this area has been disabled. To restore full functionality, please reboot the main power terminal on the top floor.
There we go. First one down.
Now we can hack a bunch of bots at once. That one's not that good at long distances. Unlock. Yes! Look out!
How you like this?
We did it! Let's use this when we're outnumbered.
So weird too.
I don't know. Try scanning.
Emergency lockdown for this area has been disabled.
That's two.
One more to go. use this to hit harder and beat things faster.
Intruders detected. Please remove them from the premises.
Eat us again. I feel like a damn rat in a maze.
It really doesn't like you, huh?
Whatever. Let's just get this over with.
Move, you.
This frickin' thing is tough as hell!
Way stronger than you are.
Is that it? Bots did all the work, leaving him bored to tears. Man, cry me a river.
Are you bored too, Hugh?
Nah, I'm good. Kinda hard to get bored keeping up with your chit-chat.
Wow! More limb! Use that one up close.
Can use this.
That's a lot of limb.
Emergency lockdown for all on-site locations has been disabled. Please complete a manual reboot of the power plant controller to fully restore operations.
Alright, we made it. Now where do we find the main power terminal?
You stop him, and I'll catch him. Look, Hugh, look! Look out!
Take that! Leave the shooting to me. What the heck's going on with the bots here? They all got haywire or what?
I don't think they normally attack humans.
Yeah, well... We better get in contact with Earth before it's too late.
crazy. From handling small stuff to knocking out big tasks, they got it covered.
There are no kids here, but if there were, they could probably handle them, too. And with Edith's manners.
It's over.
This will make it easier to hit things harder. That thing packs some punch.
How the heck am I gonna get back to Earth?
I don't think you can get home from here. Because this is just the demo.
No one here either. Damn. I gotta hurry and contact Earth. I hope dropping down here somehow leads us back up to the top floor.
Maybe there's an elevator up ahead. Wow! More limb!
Intruders detected. Please remove them from the premises.
Look out for targets! Move, you! Linking the enemy!
No, I know!
March that before fire? I'll hack the lift if you're ready. Are we there yet?
Not sure. Starting to feel a bit lost.
We can restore the power with that terminal.
Oh, finally.
Lockdown disengaged. Reconnecting primary power. Energy levels at 30%. 40%. 50%. 60%.
Warning. Unauthorized access detected. Severing primary connection. This is Edith. Unregistered guests are forbidden from this area. Initializing sector guard protocol. Scanning. Targets identified. Neutralizing threats.
Neutralize? Us?
Looks like we're gonna have to fight our way through. Get ready. Any idea what the hell this is?
Never seen it before.
Wait, not one of your talk buddies? Then I guess we can just go in blasting. How you like this? Take this!
Just like that, you.
This ain't over yet.
Get ready.
Dirty bastard!
You! Let me try! Overdrive protocol initiated.
Whoa! Where did that come from?
Look! I think it really did something!
Yeah, not bad.
Move, you! That's right there. Close in on him! Now's your chance! So close! Just a little bit more!
All right, time to kick this one.
Energy levels restored.
Yeah, baby, we did it. This is how we say good job. All right, time's up, kiddo. Show me what you were working on.
Okay.